Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can take screenshot using Snip and Sketch in Windows 10. So if I wanna take a screenshot of this any pages, for example, if I go to Google and search football. Okay, for example, if I need to take a screenshot of this page, I can use Snip and Sketch. For that I have to press Windows Shift S. Okay, now you have to select the area that you want to take the screenshot. For example, I'm taking this one. Okay, so now it is saved in the clipboard. Okay, so here you can see a lot of editing option. You can you can add a ballpoint pen. For example, if you want to select this one, then you can select this touch writing. You can write this as well, right here as well. Then you can add a pencil option here. Then you can see there is a highlighter. You can highlight the option if you want. Then you can erase this one using erase. Okay, then you have option of adding a scale here. A scale up to option. So then you can crop any image. For cropping you have to save. Now you want to save this image. For that you have to write, you can save by using Ctrl S, or you can simply click here. Okay, now it is saving. For example, I want to save it in desktop. Okay, it's saved in. So this is it, this is the screenshot. So that's how you can take a screenshot using Snip and Sketch in Windows 10. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.